All right, so here we go. So this is a master that I did for Sleepaway Camp.
Yep.
I love those guys. They're great.
Yep.
The song's called Coloring Book, but I did something fun. Every 4 bars, I want you to tell me if you hear something different. Okay? So first 4 bars is original. The next 4 bars will be something different.
Something fun.
Okay? So check this out. Let me just get levels first, okay? Nope, not that way. Good?
Yeah.
Level-wise?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, here we go.
Real things always messier than it seems. You only find new colors when you let them bleed.
I love that
You wanna go
trumpet.
again?
First of all, the only thing I was able to hear is that shakers coming through more clear
Okay.
in the whenever the fun thing kicks in.
Okay.
That's my ears.
Gotcha.
I have a less tuned ear.
I'm hearing, except for the last 8 bars that you counted out, I was noticing there was a different configuration of harmonies coming in on each one, which would be a mixing and production thing. I noticed that I did feel kind of a reset of like almost like the high frequencies would like pop in a little bit, and this maybe is just like
That's
me.
what I was hearing though too.
Yeah, like almost like you were modulating how much of a high shelf there was or something, or like
Okay.
bringing it back in every 4 bars to like reinvigorate things. But I don't know.
You want me
I
to just
definitely
play the first?
Yeah,
I won't play the whole thing, but I can do it again from the top.
Yeah.
And we can do like
Sure.
2 seconds. Okay. One more time. I'm not saying anything yet.
Okay.
Okay.
Real things always messier than it seems. You only find new colors when you let them bleed.
I'm hearing a higher range clarity thing.
Yeah, I can't put my finger on it.
Okay. So and by the way, these are a certain frequency response as well, so you won't
Yeah.
be getting like the full breadth of the detail.
These are X40s,
So you're
but
saying
someone
high-
has an X50.
Yeah.
I'm not sure who.
I got the 50s.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you're saying like a high frequency change between the 2 versions?
Yeah, that's what I'm hearing.
Okay.
Yeah.
In my
Okay.
ears.
That is the same track the entire time. There is no change at all.
You're the worst. That wasn't fun.
But there's a reason why I'm doing this.
I was going crazy. I was
Yeah,
like,
there's a reason why I'm doing this, and it's not to be mean.
There was a shaker thing. All right.
There were shakers, yes, but
Yeah, I
there
gotcha,
is
yeah.
no change between anything in there. I did this for a reason. This happened to me.
Yeah.
It happens to everybody where we're changing a bypass plugin and we think we're hearing
Oh,
the
yeah.
difference. You know what I mean?
100%. Yeah.
I wanted to do this because I wanted to make a point about how we work with an invisible art form, and we can't see the brushstrokes, we can't see the colors, we can't even see how big the canvas is.
yeah.
It's all perception.
Yep.
And that is such a delicate line in this industry, and that's what mastering is.
Yeah. That's great.
And I wanted to say that before, but I couldn't because I had this in my back pocket. But yeah,
it's all
that's great.
building to this.
That's great.
This happened to me so many times. One
Yeah.
of the previous jobs that I worked at, me and my boss were like, dude, this is not sounding good. Like, we need to fix it, blah, blah, whatever. We did all this stuff. And then the track that we wanted was like in a hidden group that wasn't even being affected. Like
Yeah.
weird stuff like that would
Yeah.
happen. And it's so easy to convince yourself and others of what you should be hearing, what you want to hear, and all this stuff, because again, it's perception. But also, it's so easy to want to make changes to things. And sometimes you have to know when you want to stop, and when to know to let it be. Because so many times I'll listen to something, I'll be like, this probably needs this, and I will do that. But then I hear something else in the track, and I'm like, but we need to let that be the way it is. So that was just a fun little thing. It happens. It's just a fun thing.
Wasn't fun at all.
I know. I was planning this for a long time. I was like, how can I bring some fun to the podcast?
That's great.
That was good.
But I'm telling you, this has happened to me so many times.
Well, it's totally a good point. Yeah, I've definitely messed with an EQ that was totally just off numerous times.
That boils my blood so much. Like when you spend like 10 minutes on an EQ move and you're like, oh, this sounds so much better. And then you look in Logic, for me, I look to the left and it's gray, and I'm like, oh, that is time I'm never getting back.
Yep.
Yeah.